understanding noises from an LG refrigerator. Occasional noise coming from an LG refrigerator is normal because of the various operational functions. In this video, we'll go over noises that are to be expected with your LG refrigerator and why they occur. A common sound is fan noise. The fan inside the refrigerator circulates the cold air inside, and a buzzing noise occurs when it is operating. The fan is also used for the automatic defrost cycle, which happens every 4 to 16 hours depending on how often the refrigerator doors are open. If you hear a whirring sound, that is likely the damper. The damper is a device for controlling the temperature of the refrigerator, the freezer, or the upper and lower compartments. The whirring sound can be heard when the damper is on. Cracking and banging sounds are usually due to thermal expansion, with noise coming from the plastic components expanding and contracting due to the change of temperature. This is most likely to occur after the defrosting process. Hissing and gurgling are sounds of the refrigerant circulating. Buzzing and whirring are the operating sounds of the compressor. The noise gets louder after the initial installation and the defrosting process, as it needs to cool down the refrigerator quickly. Tapping and rattling are sounds from the three-way valve, which controls the circulation of refrigerant. The sounds occur when the valve is opening or closing. Another buzzing and whirring sound occurs when the mechanical chamber fan is operating, which cools down the compressor. If you hear a dripping or hissing sound, it is the sound of water during the defrosting process and sound of the water droplets being evaporated. A whirring sound is caused by the water valve opening when using the water dispenser. If you hear a clicking sound, that is the sound of the door mullion, which is a plate that prevents heat loss. The clicking occurs when the door mullion opens and closes. A ding-dong chime is the door alarm. The door alarm alerts when a refrigerator door is left open for a long time. If the alarm sound continues even after the door is shut, check for obstructions and check if the door gasket is dirty or damaged. Squeaking and clicking sounds can occur when opening or closing a door if there are obstructions between the door and the cabinet, or if the gasket is dirty. If you hear a dull thud or bang, it is the sound of the compressor starting or stopping. Note that this sound can be abnormally loud if the refrigerator is not leveled properly, or if the compressor is not mounted properly. Rattling is an abnormal sound that can occur if a fan is rubbing against an obstruction. If you hear rattling, please call for repair service. Lastly, rattling and whirring are abnormal motor sounds that can occur if the fan inside the refrigerator is interrupted or frozen. If you hear rattling and whirring, please call for a repair service. You can learn more about normal refrigerator noises, plus other abnormal noises, in the Help Library. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.